All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Friday idiom. So don't shoot the messenger. Yeah, don't shoot the messenger. Yeah. Don't be mean to the person that delivers the bad news. So here he is. Messenger, like postman. Yeah, here you are. Thank you. Yeah, so, yeah. The messenger is doing what he does. He gives you the messenger is doing what he is supposed to do and gives you the message. Yeah, nothing else. Nothing more. Yeah. So, no need to be mean to him. He's doing what it wasn't his idea. He's not responsible for the message. He's only responsible to give you the message. Yeah. So, he's just the postman. Don't shoot the messenger. Let's try and get a picture of post. Yeah, like this in a way. The post. Yeah. Yeah, don't shoot the messenger. Leave him alone. Yeah, leave the messenger alone. Leave the messenger alone. Don't shoot the messenger. It is a letter from your uncle. It has nothing to do with the messenger. Messenger. Don't shoot the messenger. Yeah, it's a message from your uncle. A letter from uncle. Don't shoot the messenger. Yeah. You need to learn to not shoot the messenger. Because the information, the email, for example, has nothing to do with the messenger. And he is innocent. He's innocent. All he does is give you the message. Yeah, that's it. So if I tell you some bad news that was not my fault and had nothing to do with me, then don't be angry with me. Don't shoot the messenger. Yeah, don't shoot the messenger. Yeah. How cool is that? Be kind and don't shoot the messenger. Yeah. It's fine. Yeah, leave the messenger alone. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. So, how cool is that, language explorers? So don't shoot the messenger. Now, can you use don't shoot the messenger in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below and like the video and subscribe to the channel? Yeah, more lessons to come, more videos to come. And you can find me when you search for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as Udemy when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that? Let's keep exploring.